Hello and welcome to Bhunt Coder Android Programming Tutorials. In the last tutorial, we coded our front end for our first project, and in this tutorial, we'll do the back end. So to give you a quick recap, we put up a button on the screen named Click Me, and now we're gonna show a toast when the user clicks on that button. So basically we need to call a method when the user clicks on the button. There are quite a few ways to do that, and I'm going to be telling you the easiest way. So the easiest way is we code that the name of a method inside the button attributes. So we go over to activity underscore main.xml, and inside the button attributes we write Android on click. Now on click, inside this attribute we type the name of a method. So let's just name the method click. Okay, so in Android Studio, wherever red line pops up, it shows that there's an error on that line. Here we have got an error on click and specifically click. So if you hover your mouse over it there, it will show public void click not found. This is because in our main activity.java file, the corresponding file for our front end, there is no such method called as click. So we need to create a method named click. We can either code here public void click like this, or we can simply hover our mouse here and press Alt enter. Now whenever there's a red line area, wherever there's an error in Android Studio, you can click over there and press Alt enter, and it will give you a few suggestions of what you can do. So we just select here create click in main activity, and there it goes. We have got a method named click. It is public, it doesn't return anything, it's void, and there's a parameter here view. Now if you see here, just hover to activity underscore main.xml, all these widgets, button, text box, etc., they have a class of their own. For example, button belongs to the button class, text view to the text view class, and so on. But all these classes are subclasses or derived classes from the parent class known as view class. That's why in our main activity.java file, we have got a parameter view object of the view class. As you can see here, we have imported android.view.view. You don't need to worry about it. Android does it automatically. Okay, now we need to show up a toast on the click. So this method gets called, and what we write inside that method, we write our toast. So for creating a toast, we write toast dot make text. This is a method that will show up your toast. Now it takes three parameters. First is context. Now what context means is regarding which activity you are talking about. In this case, we have got only one activity, that's main activity. So we can either write main activity dot this or simply this. Both will work. The next parameter takes a string, whatever string we want to show. We'll just write hello user, and the third parameter takes the length, for how much time you want to show your toast. Basically there are only two types of length. It's length long or length short, or you can manually input the number of seconds, that's 6. So we'll just take length long. And then we show this toast using the dot show method. So here we have completed our method, and whenever the user clicks on this button, the click method gets called, and it serves to this Java file, and it finds click method over here, and what it does, it shows a toast to the user. So basically we have completed our project, and in the next tutorial I'll show you how to run this project. Hope you like this video, and we'll be back in the next tutorial. Thanks.